Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and I wanted to highlight a trade that we did today. It was a fantastic trade. We only made one trade today. We were, price front ran us a couple times and we did it. We took a couple no fills, but we took one trade and it turned out to be a spectacular trade. This one trade gave us 20 points for two contracts. We traded two contracts. 20 points or $1,000 minus commission. So 956.70 or whatever your commission is, but almost $1,000 with your commissions paid. Lasted 39 minutes. So what happened? We took our trade right here at 46.96. Once we took this trade, we took our first profit down here of 2 points at 46.94. Now the other contract, we kind of just watched and moved our stop down accordingly as price, chopped around over here. And then when it finally broke down, it really broke down. It broke some levels and we were watching it. We were moving our stop down. We got a little close here and price did come back up, tag us out, and then it did go down a little bit more. And that's part of trading. Sometimes that happens. What happened the rest of the day? Well, if you were around, you would have seen. But the rest of the day was also very interesting. And that's where we took some no fills. So I wanted to show this first part. It's 39-minute trade. And you basically were short one contract for 39 minutes and you were moving your stop down. When price came up, we were avoiding that. When it started bouncing around here, it looked like maybe, it was going to come up a little more. It literally tagged us out to the tick and then it did go down a little bit more. But then if I scroll over here, which I'll go, it started to move up a little bit, right? Started to move up a little bit. And if I scroll over some more, it started to move up a lot more. Started to move up a lot more. So this is one of those days where you really want to choose how you're playing the day, because we were more conservative with our stops over here. And then we got more aggressive as price started coming down. Well, we got out here, price came down, and this was the low of the day, 46.68. So, yeah, we could have made 10 more points theoretically, but we wouldn't have made 10 points anyway. We would have kept our stops coming down, and we probably would have got stopped out, right over here, probably, or over here, maybe, on this candle. Once it made this low, it popped right back up, and that's where we would have gotten stopped. So theoretically, 5 points is what we missed out on. A 20-point $1,000 trade. Is 5 points going to make you or break you on that? No. But being able to manage that one contract that we had, so that means we made 18 points on one contract. We made 2 points on the first contract. So, being able to manage that really builds the P&L. So, just talking about that really does build the P&L. After this, sometimes after a big trade, you just get super aggressive and start making mistakes. So this was a nice short trade. Maybe it comes up and you're trying to get short and then you get stopped out because price just, goes the total opposite way. We saw, I scrolled over, price came up dramatically, and it's, as you can see right now, I'm recording, it's at 12:17 p.m. The room just closed, 47.0150 trades. Well, that's higher than we've been, all this entire morning part of the morning session, or first part of the morning session. So I just wanted to highlight the trade a little bit. We took a couple no fills after this, so this was our only trade of the day. It was a beautiful trade. It was really good, but it just highlights the importance of being able to manage your trade. And 39 minutes, you were setting with it, watching our stop closely, Yeah, we could have probably made about 5 or 6 more points, and that was it. So, very, very good trade. I'm very happy with it. I'm not the best like person at managing trades. That's not what I'm highlighting here. I'm not trying to show that, oh, I made a great trade. Look at me, look at me. That's not what I'm trying to show. What I do is I'm an educational coach. I help people learn how to trade or become better traders than they already are. That's what I do. This is to highlight that. This is to highlight, have you ever managed a trade for over 10 minutes or 5 minutes? Do you just take a trade and take your profit? Maybe that's what you do, and that's fine. I've worked with traders who have other styles, and I can help them mentally if that's their issue. But I can also, if you don't have a style of trading, I can give you a style of trading, and that's what this highlights. If someone else has a different style, that's fine. Maybe there's a couple issues that aren't working, but the style is good. Maybe you don't have a style of trading at all. Maybe you're just wanting to get into trading. Trading isn't something that you get into and 10 days later you're just a trading professional. It's something that takes time. I relate being a successful trader to being a like an NFL football player, top 5% NFL football player, or top 5% NBA basketball player, or top 5 tennis pro or golfer. Put in your sport that you like to watch. Maybe you don't enjoy sports. Well, you're top 5% guitar player or violinist. You know, put in something, whatever the elite performance is that you watch, and I'm sure you watch something, maybe the top 5% dancers in the world. And that's what trading is. If you're a successful futures trader, day trader, you're in the top 5% in the world. So I just wanted to highlight this trade. I know the video is going a little long, but hopefully you enjoyed it. You got something out of it. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. They're in the description section if you want to just comment to me without anyone else seeing. My email, my contact form is in the description. So hit the description. It should be near the bottom, and you can email me that way. Anyway, with that, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.